Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are having a successful trading week. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe for more. In this video, I will show you how to use Trend Tracer EA on MetaTrader 5. Trend Tracer EA is a newly released expert advisor on the MQL marketplace. Because of this reason, I haven't been able to perform any forward testing. However, let's take a look at the strategy tester. So the bot has been designed by BM Trading or Renee Polka on YouTube. It currently has a 4.89 rating and was released on the 27th of October. The Trend Tracer EA can identify and trade market trends, and due to the nature of the strategy, it does not perform well in sideways market. It does include various trade management options to make adjustment whenever the market requires it. So let's take a look at the EA. It identifies market highs and market lows to identify a falling or rising high or low in the market. This is then to determine an up or a down trend. If you want to learn more about the Expert Advisor, feel free to check out Renee's channel where he explains how the Expert Advisor works in more detail. In today's video, we'll be looking at different set files for Trend Tracer EA that could potentially be profitable in the market. It is important to remember that these are strategy tests and they need to be forward tested on a demo account. Now, the Trend Tracer EA has three categories for settings: signal settings, trade settings, and more settings. Firstly, under more settings, we are going to change chart comment to false. This is just to improve the testing speed. Our first back test is going to be on the 15-minute for the last year on the EURUSD. As indicated in the description, Trend Tracer EA struggles during sideways market. So it is important for you to optimize your own set file. To do this, under optimization, I'm going to select fast genetic based algorithm. Next, I am going to select the signal settings that I want to optimize. By doing this, we will run a total of 70 steps for our strategy optimization. Optimizing the trigger extremum or entry point, the trade fixed signal on the trend, and the depth of the market. Let's take a look at the optimization results. So you'll see a wide variety of different results for Trend Tracer EA. You have the option under optimization results to sort according to different options to find the strategy that best suits you. So what we can see with the large variety is I am looking for a commonality between the test that will give me good drawdown and a high return. Also, you can adjust the strategy depending on how many trades you'd like to place in the market. We'll be testing 3 different securities for this expert advisor. If we sort the data according to the trigger extremum, you'll see using 1 on the 15-minute chart gives a lot of trades. For my personal trading style, I look for robots that place less trades at hopefully a higher probability. Now the trigger extremum of 2 and a depth of higher than 15 starts to produce good results. Then you have the option of selecting only first signal, false or true. If you select false, it will trade all trends in a series, and if you select true, it will only trade one trend at a time. What we are going to do moving forward is look for different set files that might work and then forward test these set files on a demo account before committing any money to the market. You will see as the trigger extremum level becomes higher, the amount of trades become lower. So let's sort according to profit, and I'm going to use the highest profit one for a single test. Depending on your personal preference, you can either go with the strategy that gives you 76 trades or 38. So here we have the results, a $7,900 return with a 59% win rate. The largest trade was $543 and the largest lost $576. Very important, the average winning trade is higher than the average losing trade. Next, we are going to do the same process for the GBPUSD. Now, it is important to understand what type of trader you want to be. If you want to focus more on swing trading, I would recommend looking at the higher time frames. As I am a scalper, I am setting up the bot on the 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look at the optimization results for the GBPUSD. For the pound dollar, again, you'll see different trigger extremums and different requirements for the optimization. Again, you have the choice if you want to go with a large amount of trades or a smaller amount. What I'd like to do is use the closest to our set for the EURUSD. That should give us a more average out result. If you wanted to trade pound dollar more aggressively, you can decrease the depth of the zigzag to 15. It will produce more trades and can produce a higher profit. The one that I will be using is again the depth of 20, the extremum of true, and only first signal as true. This gives me a total of 45 trades and a return of 4,000. So when we look at the signal test for the expert advisor on the pound dollar, you again see a positive result. One of my favorite features of MetaTrader 5 is that you can test against a market watch list. To add additional instruments, you can either press show all or you can manually enter additional instruments. So here we have a CFD for Ripple, and I'm also going to add spot silver. Next, we are going to select under optimization, all symbols selected in market watch. What this means is that the set file will be run against all those different instruments listed under market watch. Let's take a look at the results. As you can see, the set file that was made for pound dollar also works well on gold. Gold has a tendency of trending, however, does expose traders to high risk. When trading gold, please be careful. What I'm going to do now is run a single test on gold and see if we can't optimize it a little bit more. It is very important to check the specifications before trading gold, as it is different from broker to broker. So let's run a single test on gold. Let's take a look at the graph. Again, we see a positive return curve for the expert advisor over the last year. If you wanted to test for longer periods, you are more than welcome to update it under your own strategy tester. What I'm going to do now is change the trade first signal in trend only to false. The reason for doing it is because of the extreme movements of gold. And we'll see with it set to false, that it is able to not only trade the first trend, but multiple times in the same trend. And our profit increased to 6,741 with a 2.55% drawdown. Now I'm going to save this set file and forward test it on the live market. I will update the Google Drive with a set file for the EURUSD, the pound dollar, and the gold set file as well. For the best result, it is recommended to use a virtual private server so that you are constantly connected to your MetaTrader and able to place trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. When it comes to trading, the cost of trading can differ because of spreads and commissions. So make sure to find the right broker that is best suited to your specific trading style. I hope that everyone learned something new about Trend Tracer EA. Feel free to drop the video a like if you enjoyed any part of it. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I want to say thank you to Renee for programming the robot and making it available for free. And to all of you, thank you for watching. Happy trading. Bye.